Okay, y'all, welcome back to part 2 of IKEA 308. So I was goofing off with these kids, I guess I should say, messing with their base. And, well, now that I have got to my base now, I'm definitely gonna set some of my stuff down so I don't have to deal with it. I'm keeping the medkits with me and the water too with me. I'm gonna consume a cookie and a water, another cookie, and I'm gonna drop that. I have just consumed a lot of water. I'm gonna leave that with me, but I'm gonna drop that. Okay, I'm just gonna stay here so I don't get caught again, at their base, or get caught by an IKEA worker. They're around me. I don't see one, so I might just risk it and go for it. Plus, I do have that second base over here somewhere I was working on. I don't think I'll actually finish it, but I will definitely use it to, like, travel back and forth when I need to. Okay, I don't see... Oh, I do see somebody. I see 2 people in there. Oh. I don't think they saw me there. But the IKEA person's right there. Go. I'm gonna go this way. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. Ride, just ride. Yep, just run. Excuse me, sir. Do you mind? I'm just Oh my god. That's an IKEA. I don't know if that was a person. I might have to go back and look at that. If that was a real person that I saw. Probably wasn't a person that I saw. But I'm not too sure. Soul's right. Okay, I thought I saw an IKEA worker right there. Just saying, part 2 is probably more intense than part 1 so far. I'm not too sure though. Should I give her a jump scare? They're both on mobile, so it's gonna be harder for them to ride. For me, I just have to press down a button. We call that a day. It's on me. No. No. How is it catching up that fast? How did it catch up that fast? I don't know how it caught me that fast. Oh my god, my base is all the way down there. Well, I told you it was gonna be more intense, but I knew I should have finished that base up and not goofed off. But whatever, I guess it's fine that I did that. I truly needed some free time to goof off around, but like and subscribe, y'all, please. It will help me a lot. My 2026 videos will be a lot better. Also, look at that. You survived 2025, the meme reset. I'm pretty sure I trod over here where the girl's base was that I found. I wasn't even really trying to find their base, I just did. Press H to sign one of your helpful input. Yeah, I don't think that's a smart idea. Do y'all think that's a smart idea? Because I don't. I don't know where I died. I don't know where I died. Oh, heck nah. We're not done with this. Nope. I couldn't have died that far. I don't know where my stuff is. Crap. I'm definitely gonna take this stuff. Oh, I'm freezing. Oh, I might need some help here. Okay, I'm eating lemons. Oh crap, I'm gonna die. Definitely freezing up. Yo. Ah, oh, peace out. I died because of the cold. I truly don't know. I thought I knew. Oh, I'm pretty far away. Might just have to go to this base. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I'm just not gonna use this base. This base might be the only help for me right now. Okay. No. Nope. We're just gonna place that there. Jump back up before I start freezing again to death. I hear somebody's freezing. I don't know who that is. I hear somebody freezing though. My base was not built. Oh no, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Just stay. I'm just gonna stay up there in their base. I don't know whose base this is, but it's mine now. Okay, y'all. I don't even know how to survive the frost, but okay, because I'm literally freezing already. I'm right next to the land. Like I don't know what to do. I simply just don't know what to do. Oh, running helps. I'm just gonna run. I'm just gonna run. I didn't realize running helps unfreeze. Okay, I didn't even know that would help, but it does. I'm guessing it's because, oh, shoot, I might be done for. I might be done for again. This is so much more intense than part 1. Part 1 was okay, but part 2 just got another level. Oh, I'm just gonna hop up here. Okay, I hear one of the employees. Oh, he's being chased. And that's the direction of my base, so. Might just have to run this way. I'm gonna run this way. This is the way of the other person's base, so. I should eventually get there. It wasn't too far, it was like 900 from my base, so. It shouldn't be. Oh, hi, buddy. Don't mind me. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. Don't kill me. How is this guy so fast? Yo, I'm sorry. Oh, elf, help me. The elf. No. I just died again. Yeah, this is actually so much more intense. And yes, you can call me Buns. I don't really care. I know I am. Oh, tell me I'm not that far away from my... Oh, come on. Yo, why am I always so far from my base? I mean, I guess it's because my base is at the edge. But yeah, that's probably why. To be honest, y'all, I might just end it off here, y'all, on a cliffhanger, but to be honest, it's a lot of work to do this video. Yo, it's a troll meme. It's a troll meme. Bye, y'all, and hope you guys have a great winter break and a Christmas. Like and subscribe, please. Bye.